Hi guys, this is our GUI assignment 2. Um, for this assignment, we were supposed to create custom slots and signals. As you can see on our header files, we created two signals, which is the counter reach and the signal reset. As well for the slots, which are private, they are the slot button click and the slot update, and also the slot reset. Um, what this assignment is supposed to do is we were supposed to create this program that whenever you click on the counter button, it should update the variable called counter, counter. And when this counter reaches to 10, it should show a number here, big fun. As you can see, if I click 3, 4, 10, it shows number 10 with the exclamation mark. And if I keep clicking on counter plus, it keeps adding the number in the M counter, as you can see. Here is the function for it. Here's the connect. It uses the signal click, and as well it uses the slot button click, which we created, and it also that same button also connect here to update the Q label number. As you can see here, it will display the number in the Q label. Uh, it used the signal click, and also it used the slot update bool. And for the first connect, it uses the slot button click. This in this function, it emits the signal. That this function um, updates the counter number, and whenever it reaches to 10, it emits the signal the counter reach. Miguel will be explaining the reset button.
Yeah. So basically, the reset button after the counter has been updated. It basically if you want to reset both the counter and then remove this big 10 from the application, you can basically reset it with this button. As soon as you reset it, it basically the signal it should be clicked. It should be right here in this you push button reset. Basically this is the format, and then the connection is the most important, which would basically mean when this button is clicked, it should call for the slot, which would be slot reset. And basically the function for that is simply to reset the counter to 0 and remove um, the other Q label. And then for that, which will basically be counter is assigned to 0, and then update this Q label, which would be the Q string. This is just for the PSN, which would be right here, and then the counter, and then which would be with the counter number, which would be this is the one that increments. And as you can see right here, it is being assigned to 0. So basically this is updated to 0, and then a new line for the M underscore counter. So basically after that is done, it emits another signal, which would be signal reset. And then for that, it connects this signal reset with the label, which was 10, as how you can see right here, this signal, and then to hide itself. So basically when you hit reset, it resets both the M counter and removes the Q label. So basically that's all, guys. And then as you can see, we created two signals, which would be counter reach and signal reset. And then for a private slot, we created slot button click and then slot update and slot reset. We created this basically because we wanted to use it for this sole purpose, as how Qt didn't offer it, but C++ is open so that you can make your own slots and signals. So basically that's all, guys. And then thank you. A huge subscribe button would be nice, and then hit that like button for more content. Thank you, guys.